Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today we are here at Mike's shop. I'm back from Canada, obviously. Vacation was great, but really buggy. I was assaulted by an absurd amount of mosquitoes. But today we are here at Mike's shop because we are dynoing John's Civic. If you guys remember, a couple months ago, I helped John install a eBay turbo kit on a Civic. We installed it together. He tuned it himself so he could drive it and rip on it. The tune wasn't perfect. We don't know how much power it's making, so we're here at Mike's Dyno to have Mike, the master tuner, tune it and to see how much power it's making. If you guys don't remember, it is an EG Hatch with a B18 swapped into it. eBay turbo kit, as we said, stock clutch, and yeah.
The man, the myth, the legend is here. He has arrived.
As I said to you yesterday, I'm literally so excited and so nervous at the same time. Like last night, I wanted this day to come so bad, but I also like didn't want this to happen because I'm like so nervous.
Knock, knock. Who's there?
Honestly, I got emotional in the car on the way over here. I'm not even kidding, dude. I almost started crying. Dude.
I'm gonna cry when my car starts the first time.
Sure.
Yes, you are.
You got us Duncan? Hell yeah.
No, I didn't.
Damn it.
John, your car's on backwards.
Ah, good one, good one.
Just to see it, that was a front wheel drive joke.
No, I got it.
Okay, all right, good. Just making sure.
You gotta turn it around.
So,
hello.
John has his own tune on it right now. We're gonna dyno it on that tune, see what it makes. It pulled pretty good. I'm thinking it's gonna make low to mid 200s on his tune, and then Mike's gonna tune it. I'm hoping we're gonna turn it up. That's up to you.
I would be so happy if it hit like 220 right now, but
I think that's gonna be really easy.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
220, and then right now the limiter is only set at like 6,800 or something, or maybe 6,900.
So like 72.
Gotta do it for the memes. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just really excited to see this thing go.
The thing about a turbo motor is that you can pretty much make however much power you want just by adjusting boost. So like giving predictions isn't necessarily as fun. I'm gonna guess 245 horsepower, wheel horsepower, and 224 wheel torque. I'm gonna have to write this down, yeah.
I'm gonna guess 200.
Wait, I need to write it down, otherwise I'm gonna forget this. John, your prediction?
246 horsepower.
Okay, that's fine. I was thinking I'm guessing too high, so you're just gonna lose
Actually,
there. No, you already said it. What's the torque number?
What was your guess?
I said 220.
Are we gonna go 215?
I'm gonna say 230 horsepower and 210 torque. Here comes the mic.
Here comes the low ball.
I actually think Pasha's right. To
Really?
be honest, yeah.
Okay.
230?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be like 220 to 230, and I think it's gonna be like somewhere barely over 200 torque.
$192, 180.
192.
Wow, that's actually less than I thought.
Less than I thought, but
You like that?
how'd it feel? Is that like shit, or was that not too bad?
I mean, it felt okay. Like AFRs look like they're decent. It looks like a baseline. Like I don't really.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
You did great.
Sweet.
Yeah, for not ever tuning anything, you did good. So it got down to like a 9.8 at the top, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty rich.
Yeah, that's really rich.
It's very rich. It's a pretty good power band.
Yeah.
It pulls all the way up to the top.
That was the baseline. John's tune made 191 horsepower, 180 pound-feet. Pretty good.
Damn! 213 horsepower, 182. What'd you do?
I just fixed the fuel a little bit and then made it rev a little higher.
Damn, he's gonna be happy with that. John was on the phone for that one. 213 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque. He just fixed the fueling and made it rev higher.
Thank you.
We're still gonna make more though.
It's gonna be more, yeah, it's gonna be more.
Ooh, 222.
No
224.
way!
Your car officially made more horsepower than my Miata. Less torque though, less torque. Less torque. Two more horsepower.
Okay.
The final numbers were 224, 187. Oh,
0.7.
So
Round it up,
220.
round it up.
Okay, all right.
Round it
225,
up.
187.
Yeah, that's right.
So Mike was the closest, of course,
Round that
as
up.
usual.
I was the closest because I said it first. Before
No, but Mike said lower than you, so therefore he was
fair
better.
enough.
Mike said 228. The
Yeah.
blue is John's tune with way too much timing.
Hero timing.
Yeah, hero timing. The purple is the new tune, and as you can tell up top, it's just so much more. Even like down here, there's more in the middle and low end too. You need tires, you need a better exhaust, a better
Need some
intake.
brakes, you know.
You need a lot of stuff, John.
Some
It's
valve
all right.
springs.
Some valve
You
springs.
need a lot of money, boy.
9K. Okay, that's pretty good. Mike's gonna test the car on the street as usual. John's too scared to ride in his own car. We're trying to convince him to ride in his own car, but he says no because he's too scared. But it's his own car. He's gonna flip a coin, and that's gonna determine what's happening.
So what's your thing?
You called it, right?
I said heads you go, tails you don't.
Heads you go, tails you don't. Okay, flip it.
Hey, Siri.
Flip a coin.
It's heads.
Heads you go!
He's going. Gotta do it for a video.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Good luck and fun. Don't die.
Yeah, that actually was really smooth. That was a lot less dramatic than it was before, I think.
Yeah, well, it's because of the timing.
Holy fuck. Holy shit. That thing flies.
Oh my god.
Wow. It sounds so good. Yeah,
That thing looks good too.
it does look really good. Feel good? Awesome. How was that, John?
Feels good.
Good, okay.
My turn. It's the happiest day of my life.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Everyone was thinking that. That's hilarious.
At the end of the video, it's just like your obituary info.
Bye, Mike.
Yeah, have a good day.
Bye, Mike. Don't start with me like cutting this thing.
Yeah, cutting yourself open. You're a surgeon, it's all right. You're a lifeguard, which is close enough to a surgeon.
It's pretty much a surgeon.
Only if you got paid as much as a surgeon. Rip. You wouldn't have a Civic then. Ooh!
That's not true. I still have a Civic.
Yeah, it'd just be really cool. Anyway, that is it for this short video. If you want to see more videos on the Turbo Civic, go check out John's channel because it is his car. That was really awesome. Made a lot of improvements, changed a lot of things, made it safer so it's not going to blow up with 30 degrees of timing and 10 PSI of boost. 225, 187 were the numbers.
Yep.
Feels good to be back at the shop after being in Canada for a couple days.
I actually spent the last 3 hours fixing Audrey's car because the AC compressor seized. It is now for sale.
So if you want a
Piece of shit.
No, a great Ford that looks really good for its year, you can email me. I'll have a link in the description or something. That's pretty much it. We're gonna get working on the truck the rest of this weekend, and then we have some improvements for the bus. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give it a like. If you did not enjoy, please give it a dislike. Actually, just go dislike on John's video, because it's his car. I'm just kidding. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you want your car dyno, check out Mike. And yet again, go check out John's channel. Peace out, guys. Have a great day, and goodbye.